Hello and welcome to the YMBL page reclamation tutorial for the 2019 individual fundraising season. I'm your host Marcus Roper and I work in tandem with Derek Steffen, the Vice President of Individual Fundraising. First off, I'd like to thank you for your commitment to participating in the 2019 fundraising season. We appreciate your dedication to helping us reach our goal of $350,000. If each of you were to reach our suggested league minimum of $500, the cost of sending one kid to camp, then we are well on our way to meeting our goal. A quick housekeeping note to help avoid confusion. I want to take a moment to acknowledge that the individual fundraising season will not be running in tandem this year with the Sunshine Run. They will be operating as two entirely separate campaigns. Therefore, it is very important to pay close attention when you are selecting the correct page for individual fundraising as opposed to the Sunshine Run. And I'll demonstrate by typing in ymblgiving.org. If you just type in ymblgiving.org, it directs you to the Sunshine Run donation page. So either when you're initially entering the URL, or if you've made the mistake as several others have, simply take away the secondary portion of the URL and type in ymblgiving.org/campaign/individual-fundraising/C as in Charlie 214896. Once you've done that, it will kick you to the correct page here. You'll see it's for the Austin Sunshine Camps, and you'll have two options here. We've already raised $946, even though the season has not started. Woo! So you can either click Log In if you previously have a page from last year, or you can click Become a Fundraiser. Right here, I'm going to click Become a Fundraiser. I did create an account last year, and this year you will be receiving an email from YMBL leadership letting you know what service team you're on. If you have any trouble at all figuring this out, please feel free to reach out to me and I will let you know who your service team lead is. I happen to be on service team number 7. So I'm going to type that in here and it's going to populate. You can either type it in the search bar or you can look through it in the drop down menu below. Once you click on your correct service team, which you need to verify before doing this process, you will click Log In if you previously have an account from last year, and if you do not and you're new to YMBL or did not fundraise last year, you click Create an Account. In my case, I did fundraise last year, so I'm going to click Log In. If I logged in with Facebook, that's what I would click, but in my case, I use my personal email address and I have the information saved in my web browser. So it's auto-populated, and I'm going to click Log In. Once I've done that, it has done the initial step of tying me to my service team and reclaiming my fundraising page from last year. The next step I'm going to do is click on this drop-down menu that says Go To, and I'm going to check out my fundraising page. So I've already done this, but you would do this once you clicked on it initially. I've raised nothing so far because the season has not started, and my goal is $2,500, and hopefully I'll make even more than that. So it gives a story here for sharing, it has a video with some minimal text, and then for updates, you can write updates to your followers and post them to this page so that people can follow along your checklist, your milestones, to see how much work you're doing. Then you can also share this page using Facebook, Twitter, or copying the link to email. You can also click Manage the page, and this is where it's going to get more into the nitty-gritty. You can also share this page using Facebook, Twitter, and link copying. You have your overview here where you can edit your story. It comes prefabricated with a story already entered for you, so you don't actually have to change the story if you don't like, but it does help to personalize some of your story, which is done here. This is what you have so far this year. You have a video, and then you have some minimal text for people to view. You can add pictures of yourself, volunteering with the kids, anything you'd like. You can go to your donations so you can see how many people have donated. I have not received any donations just yet, but if you had, it would appear here and say the person's name. you can copy a message that you can email out to people asking for donations or thanking your donors. And then you can view details about yourself. So enter a picture of yourself, choose a nickname for your page, which in my case is just my name. My page headline, which I will change before the fundraising season starts. This is what was automatically placed in there. The fundraising season end date is actually going to be April 1st of 2019. And then my personal goal is $2,500. As for a vanity URL, this is just a URL that you can create and change by entering text here to make the URL seem more user-friendly and easier for people to view and see that it's tied with your team or your name. I just have chosen my name with no spaces in between. Once you've done all of these things, and I just changed my date to April 1st, you click Save Changes. The changes should update, and you are good to go. Everything else is up to you to personalize, share, and make the most of your fundraising season. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to myself or Derek. My phone number is 512-351-6881, and Derek's information can be found on the YMBL organization page, as he is the Vice President of Individual Fundraising. Both of us want to help you guys get to the finish line, and we'll do anything we can to make that happen. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. And please find Derek, Steffen, and I's contact information in the description below.